As the Galaxy S24 makes its debut in early January 2024, speculation about Samsung's choice of system-on-chip has been rampant, with conflicting leaks implying that the tech behemoth will either stick with Snapdragon chips for its 2024 flagship devices or introduce its own Exynos chip. Finally, the Galaxy S24 Ultra uses Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while other variants outside the United States use the Exynos 2400 processor. There have been some exciting but conflicting details about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. A similar story is emerging for the Samsung Galaxy S25, as a recent leak suggests the entire lineup may fully embrace Snapdragon. According to a report from the Korean outlet Hancam, Samsung plans to exclusively feature Qualcomm's next-generation flagship Snapdragon chipset in the Galaxy S25. The business wants to increase the Galaxy S25 AI capabilities, resulting in a cooperation with Qualcomm on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chipsets, particularly built for the Galaxy S25. According to the report, this specific Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chip is now being developed with a focus on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This means that the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus may use normal Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPUs, a notable departure from Samsung's previous strategy of using overclocked Snapdragon for Galaxy variations in all Snapdragon-equipped Galaxy smartphones. Samsung looks to be focusing on improving the yield and performance of the Exynos 2500 chip, which was previously expected to arrive in certain Galaxy S25 versions. Furthermore, speculations say that Samsung is contemplating putting the Exynos 2500 into the forthcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 devices, which are slated to launch in the later part of 2025. Samsung has never used an Exynos 7 chip in its foldable devices, it should be noted. Earlier this year, erroneous claims were made that the Exynos 2400 will be featured in the Galaxy Z Flip 6, but the gadget was ultimately introduced with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, so don't anticipate an Exynos-powered foldable phone in 2025. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.